In the corporate world, smart investments aren't just about growth, they're about survival. And in industries where time, space, and efficiency are currency, one asset is proving indispensable: the mini excavator. Why are forward-thinking companies ditching bulky equipment for compact power? Let's break it down. First, versatility. Mini excavators thrive where others can't, digging trenches in backyards, sculpting landscapes, or repairing utilities under crowded city streets. With attachments like augers, grapples, and breakers, one machine does the work of 5. Mini excavators slash fuel consumption by up to 40% compared to larger equipment, less downtime, lower maintenance, and no costly terrain repairs. Plus, their compact design means you don't need a seasoned operator, saving time and training costs. Worried about upfront costs? Smart financing options like leasing or low-interest loans put these machines within reach. Spread payments over time while boosting productivity from day one. And let's talk sustainability. Lower emissions, reduced noise, and minimal environmental impact make mini excavators ideal for eco-conscious projects. They're not just tools, they're partners in corporate responsibility. Think long-term. Mini excavators hold their resale value, with demand soaring as urban projects multiply. This isn't just an expense, it's an asset that grows with your business. So, why invest in mini excavators? Because they're not just machines, they're game changers. They cut costs, boost efficiency, and future-proof your operations. In a world where space is limited, budgets are tight, and projects demand versatility, Typhon Mini Excavators rise to the challenge. Typhon isn't just equipment, it's the future of smart, sustainable work. Ready to transform your business? The war starts here. Upgrade your fleet. Outwork the competition. Empower your projects. Transform your vision.